guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Desi and today I'm creating easy Halloween 3D FX spider eyes makeup. Very easy way to do, anyone can do it. So guys, without delay time, let's begin. So first I'm going to start with the moisturizing. Moisturizing I'm using from e.l.f. Holy Hydration. Then I'm going to apply eye cream from Simple Eye Balm for smoothing and hydrating my eye. Then I'm going to apply lip balm from Rosy Lip. Next I'm going to apply foundation. So foundation I'm going to use from NYX Born to Glow. Next I'm going to apply concealer from Maybelline Fit Me. So guys, in this case, if you like to do your color correcting, you can do color correcting as well. If you get pigmentation or black patches or any under black circle eyes, before apply the foundation. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to use loose translucent from MUA. Then I'm going to set up whole my face. Next, I'm going to apply powder bronzer. Next, I'm using Banana Bake from e.l.f. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes. It's easy to clean if any eyeshadow fell out. Then I'm going to apply gel eyeliner from Kiko. Then I'm going to apply whole my eyelid. Then I'm taking brush, then I'm going to blend out properly. Next, I'm taking black eyeshadow, then I'm going to set up and blend out, make sure there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to clean all powder. Next, I'm going to apply eye pencil. I'm taking again black eyeshadow, then I'm going to apply lower lashes. Then I'm going to apply mascara. So first take very thin eyeliner like that. You draw first from here, very thin line first. Stop where you see eyebrow middle. Then second. To draw like that, very thin, then you can make thick like that. So when you draw like that, let it dry. Then next I'm going to put in the middle little bit for highlight silver liquid eyeshadow. I'm taking very small brush. Very light gray color. Then I'm taking very small brush and taking very small amount, then cleaning my hand like that to make sure there is no, I'm not going to apply too much. Then I'm going to apply like that. Next I'm going to apply black lipstick. And next I'm going to apply pink lip gloss on the top. Next I'm going to apply highlighter corner of her eyes. So guys, this is my final look. You can create very easily spider eye makeup for Halloween. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.